Hello guys, welcome back. How to center text in Google Sheets. Here's how you can do it. I'm going to be explaining to you about text alignment in a much detailed way. So there are horizontal alignments like left, center, and right, and vertical alignments like top, middle, and bottom. So bottom left is set as default because when you type something, the text is aligned to the bottom and to the left. So if you want to do a middle left, double click on this cell and then type middle left. Change the vertical alignment to middle, go under here and then click on middle. For the horizontal alignment, it's already set to left. Click on it. And then if you want to do a top left, type top left. And then change the vertical alignment to top, which is this one. The horizontal alignment to left. For top center, type top center. Change the vertical alignment to top and the horizontal alignment to center. For top right, change the vertical alignment to top and the horizontal alignment to right. Middle center. For the vertical alignment, change it to middle and the horizontal alignment to center. Middle right. Click here. Change the vertical alignment to middle and the horizontal alignment to right. Finally, bottom center and bottom right. For bottom center, change the since it's already been positioned to the bottom, change the horizontal alignment to center. For the bottom right, vertical alignment is set to bottom and then change the horizontal alignment to right. Really easy and it's fast to do. Now you can place your text anywhere. Aside from the fact that I was going to tell you how you can center a text which is already positioned in the middle center side of the cell. That's how you can center a text. Thank you for watching. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.